the drone.
Guys, who wants to see my wakey-wakey-inator? Who wants to see the
bomb drone, bro. You made those freaking USA
Guys,
bomb drones.
Drop it.
Okay.
Those B2 bomb drones.
You?
Hello.
No, it's like no, it was meant to be like a homing missile. I'm not gonna
Buddy, I just reported.
Whoa, man. We gotta revive this dude.
Yeah,
Revive. Run the safe zone, man.
Wow. Everyone in these lobbies are horrible nowadays.
Oh no, the bomb drone.
Hey guys, who wants to test my person launcher?
You dude.
It's over.
Who wants to test my item launcher? You put an item on it, and then absolutely make yourself.
Why are you upside down?
Who wants to suicide drone?
Hello.
Oh,
Hello.
I'm
How are
making
you?
another unethical adventure.
Hey, you want a suicide drone? Yeah.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Throw it at me. I'm ready.
Yep.
Run out there. Run.
Ooh, he's a red bot.
Yo, bro, can I have a revolver? Can I have a revolver, though? This hurts my feelings.
Got him.
Yo, revive me! Revive me! Yo, revive me! Where are you? Yo, Ben, can I have a revolver? Yo, Blue, can I have a revolver, please? Who would be generous enough to give me a revolver?
Guys, this can murder people. Oh no! Oh no! 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 Guys, help me! My bomb is coming. The bomb.
What's your friend's username? I'm not opening.
I'm gonna get him.
I just died!
Could you kill me? Can you kill me?
Oh yeah, sure.
Yay!
I shall stab you. Is he
Yo,
gonna
how do you get
revive?
that hat?
Come on, dude.
How do you get that hat?
You get 100K on YouTube.
Yeah, I think you have to. Yeah,
Dude, I've only got 40. I got a long way to
All
go.
right, I shall murder. Cha 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 cha. Yo, you have a lot of help, dude.
You're not being nice. Hey, sir. Sir, whoa.
Oh my gosh. No. Did I just predict the future, bro? I just predicted the future.
That's right.
Yo, why'd you do that, chat? Yo, revive me.
Somebody exploded me, dude.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
I just predicted the future, bro. Fine, I have to make another suicide bomber. Call this bomber. And then I call this one suicide bomber V2. Basically, I can goop. What could possibly go wrong? I can get rid of my item launcher. Hey yo! Oh
No reason.
Hey guys, look! What's that? Oh,
What?
Finding the scammers. What can I do?
2 of these tickets.
What can I help? Wait, can I help? Don't we do it? No, I got scammers. No.
Wait, what's only duo?
Okay, wait. I got you. Wait,
What am I doing here?
trying to find scammers.
I'm causing a nuclear explosion in here.
No.
I call this the get rid of humanity.
Duo.
Ah,
Let's go.
do I have 8 dynamite? Yeah. Oh well. Hey, do you guys like my I'm about to get chased-inator?
Voice mod on
Oh no.
Bro, why are you copying my avatar?
This
Why are you copying my avatar?
this is the crazy Herinator. This is the crazy Herinator. Whoa, 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 whoa!
Why are you copying me, bro?
My hat is just as beautiful.
What's your problem, bro?
It's purple.
Guys, darn eat me in. Like, oop.
Bro,
Bro, why are you red watch? Bro, why are you red watch?
Wait a minute, I just figured out how I can add more. I'll grab my already crazy invention.
Yeah, I'm purple.
Press scoop.
yeah, purple, you're blue.
3, 4.
Time for you something?
This time,
Huh?
I add.
That's a purple.
Yo, can I have some dynamite?
No.
No, I said it doesn't work.
You.
Oh. Guys, am I cooked? Am I cooked? Yo, I think I was cooked. Nope, wrong invention.
There's my assistance no longer required.
I can currently add
It seems.
5 more.
Look at my zero gravity track.
You just killed us, so.
Oh my goodness, man. He just pooped his pants.
No, not purple. No, not blue now.
Where's this little gremlin? Oh, but my monster running that far.
My crossbow has evaporated in thin air in front of my eyes.
Imagine, bro. Like, look at my bullshit, bullshit.
I need a new crossbow. And maybe a snowball to go with it.
Hey, wait. Did you just buy a fucking snowball? No!
I hit him with it. Did you guys see that? I hit him with like... Dude, I hit the tiny person with the trident in midair.
What? Yes, darn it.
Oh wait, can I go on a bike? Is there a two-seater? Is that a two-seater? Yeah.
Oh, wait, shooting for.
It's pretty fast.
Onward!
Wanna see how
No,
fast?
look at my invention, bro. Look at my invention.
This is how fast you go.
Yo, do you like my murderinator? Oh, poop, 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 poop. Sorry,
Yo,
pals.
you can hit a wheelie? That's awesome,
Ow,
man.
ow. Oh no, oh no.
Nobody! Steal my stick!
Oh, he's not
Bad boy.
Nobody steal my stick and go down the sewer! What else? I get angry!
What's up,
Drive.
I can get you one.
The move.
First
awesome,
we're
dude.
gonna go to stage 5. You don't...
Hey,
Hey,
What is
dude!
that?
Dude! Whatever you do, dude, come over here.
Oh, poop.
Whatever you do not throw my stick down the sewers. I gotta take a nap.